Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ban ai man sem bat penchlori ki Samla Pule jongka West Shillong Constituency. Bakin nang minot bat tresh tom nakabenta bakin wan sakman. Hakajing Pule jongki haka khat pra tarek menta unai weng. La pelong ya kajing sam Khusnam ke bakarpang. Ya ki Samla ki bala pas ba haki examen baper jong Khusnam arhajar khanyo. Ya kani jelang ke balatep kum ke 6 Academic Achievers Excellence Award la pelong da ke 18 West Shillong Youth Wing jong ke UDP. Ya ke bala pelong ha Hindu Mission Lower Mopram Shillong. Hakani ke jelang Chief Secretary barem jong sarkar jela PJ Besley uralong kongsan bat ki balai don lang rengkat ki kentop yau Chancellor jong ke skolba USTM Mahbubuk Hakyu UMLA ke seng UDP na ke nong thamai constituency uba jemine motho UMLA ke maulai uba embha lang semne UMLA ke nikathan uba polling do bat ki wede ki rupa khmat ke nikathan hakani ke sngi nalor ke jingpun ko boram ki Samla ki bala pas ba haki examen baper ya ki shphongot ki Samla ki bala yo ya kama skandai 4% chaneng lai Khusnam kor pangru da ki kor computer laptop.
Education is not the filling of a bucket, it is the lighting of a spark. I don't think anybody has come up with a better definition of education. Education not as the filling of a pail, which is something that we tend to do today. Filling up the young minds with more and more information, more and more bits of the latest from the world of GK. But he reminds us that education is about the lighting of a spark. Because once that spark is lit, you carry it with you for the rest of your lives.
And education has therefore continued to be my first love. Unfortunately, I had 3 long stints in the education department. I do agree with what has been said this evening, that education continues to be in the doldrums perhaps. But perhaps much has happened in the interregnum. Education is no longer in the same footing on which it was some time back. The board of school education has been reorganized a decade back, and things are beginning to look up. And that certainly gives us a great sense of joy.